if you are facing difficulties with handling column widths every time. Do not worry. In this video, we will show you 3 methods to automatically adjust the column width. Method 1 is done by double-click, Method 2 by manually, while Method 3 is accomplished through a simple code. Use whichever method you feel most comfortable with. For double-click method, just select the required columns, double-click at the end of any selected column border, and boom, you are done. For manual method, select the required columns or the entire worksheet. Press Alt H O I and you are done. With the manual method, you have to manually select the data and press Alt H O and I every time you need to adjust the column width. However, with the automatic method, you just need to write a simple code once, and it will automatically adjust the column width every time. To do this, right-click on the worksheet and select View Code. Select Worksheet from the upper left corner. Write the code. You can also find the code in the video description. Save by Ctrl+S and close the window. And you are done. Now, each time you write in Excel, it will automatically adjust the column width. But please remember, this code works for the current worksheet, not for the entire workbook. So, write the same code for the other required worksheets. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.